Magandang araw! Pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay addition of integers. So remember, we have our method number 1 using a number line. When you add a positive integer, kailangan mag-move tayo sa right. Kapag naman nag-add tayo ng negative integer, kailangan nating mag-move sa left. Example number 1, we have negative 5 plus 4. So here, we have positive 4. Therefore, we need to add a positive integer and move to the right. So from negative 5, we need to move 4 times to the left, to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer here is negative 1. For number 2, we have negative 6 plus negative 3. Since we have here negative 3, we will be adding a negative integer to the left. So we have negative 6. Moving to the left, we have 1, 2, 3. Our answer now is negative 9. Now let us have number 3. 2 plus 8. We have here positive integer. Therefore, we need to move to the right. So from 2, we need to move 8 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have, your answer is positive 10. Now let us have method number 2. Example, negative 5 plus negative 4. We need to add the absolute value and use the common sign. So here we have absolute value of negative 5 is 5. The absolute value of negative 4 is 4. We need to add this. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. At ang common sign nila ay negative. So therefore, absolute value is 9 and the common sign is negative. That's why negative 5 plus negative 4 is negative 9. For number 2, we have 5 plus 11. Get the absolute value and get the sum of this. We have to get also the common sign, that is positive 16. Next, we have different sign. For this, we have here letter A, negative 6 plus 8. So, alin dito ang may maliit na absolute value? Tama. For letter A, ang may maliit na absolute value ay negative 6. Ito ay ibabawas natin kay 8. So, absolute value ni 8 minus absolute value ni negative 6 is equal to 2. Here, ang sign ng number na may larger absolute value is positive, which is positive 8, kaya positive ang sagot natin. For letter B, we have negative 7 plus 3. Dito, mayroong malaking absolute value si negative 7, kaya ang sagot ay negative. At nag-minus tayo ng 3 kay 7, kaya we have 4. So, our answer here is negative 4. For letter C, we have, ang may maliit na absolute value ay 1. Ito ay ibabawas natin sa absolute value ng negative 5. So, we have here negative 4. Mas mataas ang absolute value ni negative 5 kaysa sa 1. Kaya, sinunod natin ang sign ng negative 5. Now, the last one is opposites. The sum of additive inverse is 0. So, therefore, let us have an example. If we have negative 6 plus 6, the answer is 0. 1 plus negative 1, the answer is 0 also. 30 plus negative 30, the answer is 0. Now, let us see. Let's have a practice. Add the following. For number 1, you have negative 12 plus negative 34. So again, for number 1, we are having same sign. So the answer must be negative. Parehong negative, parehong ang sagot natin ay negative din dapat. So we have negative 48. For number 2, 52 plus 13, that is 65. For number 3, we need to subtract 10 from 20. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. And we need to follow the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. So we have our answer positive 10. For number 4, you have 5 minus 5 plus negative 12. So we have here 12 minus 5 is 7, but we need to follow the sign of the greater absolute value, which is negative. That's why our answer here is negative 7. For number 5, 18 plus negative 18, the answer is 0. Okay. For the next lesson, we will be having subtraction of integers.